How to make pet care website on Wix. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create a website on Wix.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to create an account or log into your account on Wix.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. It's completely free to create an account on Wix.com. You just need to use your email address and create a suitable password. So next you just need to click this blue button, create new site, and you will be redirected to another page, Wix site creation. Now Wix website offers us to try an AI help, but in this video we don't really need it, so just click to set up without chat. And now we need to choose what type of website do we want to create. So we need the pet care website. Here you can choose pet care provider or pet care blog, pet care equipment manufacturer. So for example, let's choose this one, pet care blog. So the next step is that we need to create a name for website. I'm gonna name it an example just to show you and move on. Don't really need this website. Here you need to answer this question: what are your goals for this site? This will help Wix.com match you with tools and features to fit your needs. So for example, you wanted to sell products for pets, and maybe share knowledge, and maybe offer some services, and of course promote your business. Just choose whatever you want here, and also you can choose the apps you would like to add to give your site more functionality. So recommended for you is online store. Once again, if you want to sell products, choose this one. If you don't choose this. Also you can add bookings to let your clients schedule appointments on your site. So if you offer services, choose this one. And events, to create events, sell tickets maybe. Also you can discover more apps here. Basically we are creating site for pet care blog, so I think you need this one, obviously blog, to write posts, to drive traffic and share your ideas. Now we are back to our dashboard, and we can see that we still have 4 steps here to fill in so that we can have our website. So first of all we need to connect a custom domain here. Just choose the custom domain you want to add, you want to make yours, and put it here and click this blue button, let's go. Also you need to write your first blog post for your website. Meanwhile we will move straight to this point, design your website, basically the most important one here. And now we need to decide exactly how we want to design our website. Pick a template or generate a design with the help of AI. So I will choose this one because I really like to browse thousands of designs and pick one to customize. And here you can see most popular website templates. Also you can choose blank templates if you wanna make site from scratch. And here we need the search template, basically pet care blog. And here is results for pet care blog. You just need to choose the template that you think is the best, and the template that's basically the best for your purposes, for your site. So I think this one is the best. Click edit and you will be redirected to Wix website editor. Wix website editor is the best option for creating clear websites, because you don't need to know any of programming languages such as Python, C++ or Java. You just need to use a website for creating another website. I think this is the best about Wix.com, and that's why I highly recommend it to you. Now we need to wait until everything loads. And so everything is ready. Now we can move on the most interesting part. You can edit almost everything here. Here you can select which page we are on our site. You can manage them here. You can delete some pages. You can hide some pages from menu. You can do it like visible again. You can add new page. Also on the left you have such functions as add elements, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, CMS. And here we can see how our site is divided into several parts, from header to footer. Also we have section services and section testimonials, Instagram section, and this is only home page. We have many pages here. And if you want to edit this specific section, for example services, you just need to double click on it, or you can click this button quick edit, and now you can edit this section. For example, you can move this text, you can edit this text by clicking this button, or just double click on this text. You can delete it, you can write whatever you want here. You can change the style, change fonts, change font size. You can change this arts here. You can change whatever you want, as I already said. So you can change this button, change the size, delete this button, for example, like this. You can basically delete everything, and you can undo. And for example, you can add some buttons here, you can add text. This is like the most important thing here, and elements. You can add text, image, buttons, strip, decorative, box, menu, whatever you want. For example, button, for example, view more, just drag it, for example here. And of course you need to link this button. That's how you link it. You can link it to whatever you want. You can link it to page on your site, or to another website, even to email or phone number. Basically, if you will choose this button, you need to link it to a phone number here. Of course, you can change this media by clicking this button, manage media. You can change the order of your images, you can add new, you can replace them, you can add title and description. Also you can add section, for example maybe team section or about section. Just choose a section and drop it anywhere on the page, for example this one, easily add. Of course you can edit this one too. In general the site has a lot of functions, so I recommend to try to explore it yourself. Their entire interface of the site, as you can see, is very clear to any user. And when you are done editing your website, you just need to click this button, click publish to go live with your site so anyone can see it. So guys, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this site. I hope you liked this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.